everyone, welcome to our level 2 videos. So if you're watching this, hopefully that means you've been through our Never Too Late and level 1 videos and are ready to try something a little bit more difficult. And if you have not been through those videos, hopefully then you have some experience and know the basics of tap dance already. Level 2 I often refer to as time steps and traditions. In this level I cover a lot of different time steps, and I also cover pieces of traditional tap dance choreography like the Shim Sham and the BS chorus. So hopefully you're ready for that stuff. If not, go back, watch the other ones again, practice, 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 and when you are ready, jump into the level 2s. Let's get tap dancing.